Nice Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, bagger front wheel. Well, this is actually going on soft tail or a roking, but 23-inch twin disc, A1 Cobra tyre mounted. Okay, we can do this complete with the chrome disc bolts. Very, very cool looking wheels. Great quality for the money. You can get better, but you are going to pay 2 to 3 grand a piece for them. Okay, these particular wheels around about $750 with a tyre. Discs will add you around about $95 a piece. They're on offer at the moment. They're normally $145. We also do the discs in black. They are $145. And we also do a black wheel with chrome nipples and black rims, black everything else. Very cool look as well. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. We also keep masses of P&M wheels in. They're the billet wheels, RC components, some of the Ultima Cool Cats wheels like that, which if you're on a budget. If you're interested in any brake upgrades as well, we do P&M Ultima, masses of ways to stop your Harley, as opposed to standard Evo brakes are a bit of a joke, more like a CB750 single piston job. But give us a call, 01773835666. We also do the rake triple trees if you want to fit a 26 or a 23 on a bagger. Got those in stock. They're around about £500 mark, which for a triple tree kit of that quality is amazing. Big fenders are also available, wrap round up to 26. We can do your 34-inch wheels or your 30s, but you are looking serious bucks. So if you're interested in any bagger stuff or braking upgrades or wheel upgrades, give us a call. Thank you.